Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. On today's video I will show you how you can be able to integrate icons into your website. So actually what I mean, let me show you a good example of where I've integrated the icons into my website. As you can see in this portfolio website which I've made, you can see there's an Instagram icon there. There is a Snapchat icon there, Twitter icon there, YouTube, WhatsApp, and so on and so on. So these icons, it's not a must that they should be the social media icons. There are other thousands of icons which can be integrated into your website. So on today's video I will show you how you can be able to integrate these icons, to be specific, the social media icons, that is Instagram, Snapchat, Twitter, YouTube, and WhatsApp. But I will also, by the way, even before we do that, there are two ways in which you can integrate your icons into the website. Number one, you can use the font awesome icons, or number two, you can use the box icons. Also, there are other ways in which you can integrate them, but the two main are the box icon and the font awesome. So to be specific, on today's video I will show you how you will be using the font awesome icons. So having said that, I want to kindly request you to go to your YouTube. On your YouTube, search for the Kenyan Programmer, and upon searching that, guys, subscribe, watch my videos, like, share, comment. It will be of great help. So having said that, let's now dig into the code. So you open your code editor. I will just be making a simple website, a simple web page where I will be just putting only the icons alone. So having said that, open your code editor. For this case, I have a folder, and in the folder I will just create two files for today's video. So it will be index.html and style.css for the purpose of styling. So we come to our index.html. We create our boilerplate, and then we can change the title. You can say social media icons. We link our CSS, style.css, there it is. Then from there we create a container, which we create a div which will have a class called container. So it will be .container, it is. Then in this container, even before we put the links, first let's go live using our live server. Then from there, as we wait for our live server to open, we can come to your browser. In your browser, you come and search for font awesome CDN, this one. Upon searching that, and you click the first link, it will bring you to this page, the cdnjs.com's library. So we'll be using a library, a font awesome library, so that you can be able to get the icons into our website. So upon this web page loading, we'll see something like this, font awesome. You come and click on the first link. So you come and click here, copy link tag. Upon copying, you go back to our code editor, and we come and just paste it here below the linking of the CSS file. There it is. So after linking there, you come back again to our code editor, not our code editor but our web browser, sorry for that. You come and search for font awesome icons, this one. So upon searching the font awesome icons, you click on the first link. It will bring you on this page. So upon bringing you on this page, you'll be required to go to the version, to use the version 5. So you click on this one. So upon clicking this one, it will come and open a page that looks like this one. So you come and say at this point called icons. Let's wait for it to load. As you can see, it has loaded, and then you come, you search for your icons. As you can see, there are thousands of icons. There are currently 33,612 icons. So we come and search for, we want to use Instagram icon. Come and click there to search. Let's wait for it to search. So from there, as you can see, they have already done the search, and you can see there are two icons. You can choose any icon that you would like to, but for my case I'll choose this one. So upon clicking there, it will bring you this kind of pop-up. There are several categories. This is for the HTML, React, Vue, SVG. So for this case, since we are doing it on a HTML, you come and select HTML. Actually, on this version 5, you can be able to customize the icon. For example, you can come and choose the color. We say the color of the Instagram can be like color pink, not pink but purple, sorry. There it is. You can give it an animation whichever you want. For example, you can give this one shake. You can see it's shaking, or you give it, let it just fade. Yeah. Then from there, you come and click here to copy the code snippet. You return back to your browser, not your browser, sorry, but your code editor, and then you come and paste it here. So when you check on our, let me split the screen into two. In the web page which we opened using the live server, you can see here is an Instagram icon. So let's first style this one. So as I usually say, first we start with the asterisk sign to mean all. Then you come and say margin to be 0, padding to be also 0, and box sizing to be border box. Then from there, we can come and say let the body, we give it a color, background color. You can give it for example, light gray. There you can see it, and also you can see our icon here. So from there, we work on our container. We bring it at the center of the page, so its width will be 50%, height will also be 50%. Let the display be flex. Let's not even first go to the display, but let's first make it to be at the center of the page. So we come and say let top be 50%, left to be also 50%. Let also the position be absolute, and also, as you can see already, you have started seeing the icon at the center of the page. We can also give it a background color of RGB. This color code 00, it's a black color code. There you can see where it has been positioned. So now you want to put it at the center of the page. So you come and say transform, translate to be negative 50%, negative 50% again, vertically. Yeah, you can see it at the center of the page. So then from there we come back to our, so actually it's one and the same thing. So you have two alternative ways in which you can get the icons in your website. So number one, you can come and copy this one again the way it is, this one for the Instagram. You come and paste it there. You can see there too, but for this case you come now, you delete the word Instagram, you put like WhatsApp. So actually you should be careful with the spelling, or the icon won't appear. So it's supposed to be WhatsApp that way. As you can see, it is color purple. So we come here and edit just the color. You can come this section, give it a color green. You can see there. So the other alternative is you come back to your font awesome, you come and search for the icon that you want. For example, for this I can say X Twitter. You can see it has already shown itself here, and then you click it, and then you come and choose the animation that you want. For this case, you say let it be fade. X is color black, but for this one we can give it a color like light gray, so that it can be visible. There it is. And then now you come and copy the snippet code, and then you paste it. So actually those are the two ways in which you can do it. You can see there it has come, it has already shown up. So for my case, I will just come and edit here. For your case, you can just keep on going to the browser so that you can be sure with the spelling. So for this one, you come and say Snapchat. There you can see Snapchat is usually somehow color yellowish. So there it is. And then the last one, you can come and say for YouTube. There it is. Usually it is color red. And there it is. So there are the icons. So after doing this, we want to place the icons at the center of this container. We come and say just style. Not style, but you come and say display. Let the display be flex. We want to align, to bring the icons at the center of the page. So we'll use the align items to be center. So it will bring them in terms of vertically. It will bring them in the center. So in terms of horizontally, I will give them sorry, not horizontally, but justify aligning them at the horizontally. You just come and say justify content. You can just then say that there be space between them. You can see, and then you give it a padding of 30 pixels by 30 pixels. There you can see. Then from there we can do what? We can now adjust this for the size of the icon. So you come and say that's your class. You come and say font size. You can give it to be 30 pixels depending on how you want it to look them. You can see that's good. Then from there you come and say, when you bring a cursor, say pointer. So guys, actually this is how we integrate icons. Another thing I want to show you is how you can be able to give them links. So for example, this Instagram link, you can come, for example, whenever you type www. For example, let me use for the case of YouTube. You can see it will bring that way. It will open YouTube for you, as you can see. So what we'll do, I want to copy this link the way it is. You copy, and then you come to this section in your index.html file. You come to this section YouTube, and in between here, in between the actually what I was saying is that you come and select all this section, the whole class of the icon. You can cut it, and then you put the anchor tag here with the anchor tag there, and then you come and copy this link. You copy, and then the link you come and paste it in the href, in between the quotation marks, and then you come and paste. Actually, you have done a mistake. there it is at first the way it was. So let me first come here and create an anchor tag so that we avoid losing all this data here, and then we come and copy this one, and then we paste it here on the href section, and then upon pasting there we come and take all this class of I which contains the icon, and then we come and put it between the opening anchor tag and the closing tag. So when you come back to the web page here, when for example when you hover here, down here you see there's a link that is appearing. So whenever you click that icon, it will take you to the link that you have given it. For this case I had given it the YouTube. So that is how we do it, that is how we give the icons link. So for example, for the case of the Instagram, it's not a must you go back again to the website or to the web page. You know, for Instagram they use www.instagram.com. so I'll come again, cut this one. And by the way, whenever you're putting a link, when you press the anchor tag, when you're putting a link, you should start with HTTP or HTTPS. So for just use HTTPS there, and then you type www. whatever link you want to give it. So for this case it will be www.instagram.com. So whenever I come back to the instagram.com, then I paste the icon, the class of the icon. So whenever I come and click this one, it will take me to Instagram. As you can see it has opened Instagram from Meta. So guys, this is what I wanted to show you today. This is how we integrate icons and give them links. So for today's video, I have only used the font Awesome. On my next video I will show you how you can also integrate using the box icon videos. So thanks for watching, and guys, as I've requested, take a minute, go to YouTube, search for the Kenyan Programmer, as you can see here. Go to my subscribe, like my videos, watch them, like, comment and share. It will be of great help to me, and that's the only way you can support me. So thank you for your time, thank you for watching. Adios.